Building a sandcastle is super fun. It's an activity that brings joy to kids and adults alike. The feeling of the wet sand between your fingers, the sound of the waves crashing nearby, and the excitement of seeing your creation take shape is truly magical. It's like magic, turning sand into something cool. You start with just a pile of sand and some water, and with a bit of creativity and effort, you can create something amazing. Each grain of sand plays a part in the bigger picture. In machine learning, we do something similar. We take raw data, which might seem like just a pile of numbers and information, and we transform it into valuable predictions and insights. It's a process that requires patience, skill, and teamwork. We take data and make predictions. Just like adding details to a sandcastle, we refine our models to make them more accurate and reliable. Each piece of data helps us understand the bigger picture and make better decisions. We want our predictions to be strong, just like a sandcastle. A well-built sandcastle can withstand the waves and wind, and in the same way, strong predictions can withstand the test of real-world applications. Gradient boosting is a way to make our predictions really good. It's a technique in machine learning that helps us improve our models by focusing on the areas where they are weak and making them stronger. It's like having a team of sandcastle builders. Each builder brings their own skills and ideas, and together they create something much better than any one person could do alone. Each builder adds a little bit to make it strong. In the same way, each iteration of gradient boosting adds to the model, making it more accurate and robust. Just like a sandcastle, our predictions become stronger and more reliable with each step. Imagine building a huge sandcastle alone. It would be hard. You'd have to gather all the sand, shape every tower, and carve out every detail by yourself. It would take a lot of time and effort, and the result might not be as impressive. It's easier with a team. Each person can focus on one part. One child can gather sand, another can shape the towers, and someone else can carve out the details. By working together, they can build a much bigger and more detailed sandcastle in less time. Gradient boosting is similar. It uses weak learners. These weak learners are like the individual children in our sandcastle analogy. Each one might not be very strong or effective on its own. These are like the builders on our team. Each weak learner focuses on a different part of the problem, just like each child focuses on a different part of the sandcastle. Each weak learner is not so good on its own. It might struggle to make accurate predictions or solve the problem effectively by itself, but when we combine them, they become strong. By working together, these weak learners can correct each other's mistakes and improve the overall performance. They work together to make a powerful prediction. Just like the children who built an amazing sandcastle together, weak learners in gradient boosting collaborate to create a strong and accurate model. Building a sandcastle takes several steps. First, we make a solid base. Then we add layers. We keep making it better and better. Gradient boosting does the same thing in machine learning. First, it makes a simple initial prediction. Then, it looks for any mistakes. It adds another learner to fix those mistakes and improve. It keeps doing this, layer by layer, until perfect. Finally, we have a fantastic sandcastle. Look at how majestic it stands, a testament to teamwork and perseverance. It's strong because of all the layers. Each layer adds to its stability, making it resilient against the waves and wind. In gradient boosting, we end up with a strong prediction model. Just like our sandcastle, this model is built layer by layer, each one improving upon the last. This model is strong because it learned from its mistakes. Every time a layer is added, it corrects the errors of the previous ones, becoming more accurate and reliable. It's like our team of builders working together. Each child brings their unique skills and ideas, contributing to the final masterpiece. We call this ensemble learning, many learners working as one. Just as our sandcastle stands tall because of the collective effort, gradient boosting creates a powerful model through the collaboration of many weak learners. What do you think? Isn't gradient boosting cool? Share your thoughts and experiences with us.